Guys, welcome to my channel. I really want to appreciate this my guy here, He has been very helpful for letting us showing inside the Apapa train station, which is now the Asiwaju Bola Tinubu station. He has been very helpful. It's through him I was able to show you guys everything you are going to be seeing inside this beautiful station today. So guys, make sure you go to his channel as well. The name of his channel is EcoGist Entertainment, right?
Yeah, EcoGist Entertainment. EcoGist ENT.
EcoGist ENT. Go to his channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on his video as well. He made videos on something like this as well. Guys, make sure you subscribe to his channel as well.
So guys, thank you very much for your support. Thank you for everything. We really appreciate it. Please, if you are a returning subscriber, I've already said thank you. And if this is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly do well to click on the subscribe button and turn on notification for updates. Thank you very much. So like you were saying, please support us by clicking on the subscribe button. Very important.
We need your support.
Thank you very
show
much.
You more content like this.
Yes.
If you are interested in content like this, please, we need your support for us to grow so we can show you more content of this nature. So thank you very much and God bless. The Lagos-Ibadan railway is linked to Apapa seaport, which is expected to aid the evacuation of cargoes from the seaport to Ibadan dry seaport. This will also help in reducing the gridlock on port access road and curb the bottlenecks at the port. When this operation starts, it is expected to reduce the volume of cargoes moved by road. So guys, most of the work left here is just within the surroundings. The terminal is done, but the surroundings, they need to clear a lot of places around the surroundings because there have been illegal occupants who have been here for quite some time, which is what they are trying to clear now. Most of the illegal occupants need to leave and leave to give way.
goodbyes, fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always say. We'll see forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always say. We'll see forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, jump into
So guys, as you can see, this is the VIP lounge for this station. So the station probably won't be used for only cargo,